Hey, what's up everybody, welcome back to devverse. Today in this video we are going to be discussing about 12 VS Code extensions that I personally use on my videos. You can say in every of my videos, right? Now let's do it. Just open up a VS Code, and the first one is jellyfish theme. Now jellyfish theme is one of my favorite. Let me show you. Right here, like jellyfish, and this is the theme. You can see right here, and this is an amazing theme. If you can see, if I write here like, let's say const x is equals to 1, you can see it. If I write here a for loop, let's say for int I equals to 0, I less than 10, I plus plus, and then this one, and let's say not int but basically const, not const, is let I, and then what I want is I just want to log I, just like this. So you can see the color of the, you can see code and the theme. Right now, the one more thing I want to tell you about here is I'm using Fera code. Fera code is basically a font that I'm using. It helps, like it has amazing font linkages. Like you can see when I'm writing here like triple equals to, or like say not equals to, just like this, or not you can say double equals to. And then if I like writing here like this thing, I'm creating an arrow. You can see how this looks. So basically this is really amazing. If you want to use Fera code, you can also use Fera code. Just search for it on the Google Fonts and then install it, and then you can just go to the settings part, and here you're going to find the font, and then just add Fera code right here like this after installing it, and then search for font linkages. Click on this edit in setting.json, and you can find this. By default it is false. Just make it true and save it. That's it. You can just go on. Right now let's talk about one more theme, that is mean theme. Now mean theme is the theme that I was using before, the jellyfish, that is this one, mean dark. It is also you can say a light theme, but I'm not going to show you the light theme. You can just see it yourself. I like the mean dark theme, right? So let me write here like dark, just like this. And there is material theme. This is one of the best themes. You can search for like here writing materials, and you can see this thing. It has a bunch of themes available, right? You can just try it out. Now the next thing is the material icons. You can see the icons that you can see it is showing right here are the material icons. And then the next one is Prettier. Now Prettier is an amazing tool, right? Let's see. Remove these things. Let's say I'm writing here it like this, and like this, and like this. Save it, and you can see it automatically gets formatted. This is because of Prettier. Just install it and then just configure it. But you can say how can you configure it? It's pretty simple. Right click on the format document. For the first time it will ask you for configurations. Click the configure button, and after clicking on that, you're going to show some drop downs. Click on Prettier and it is done. Right, and then go to the settings part after that and search for format on save. You can see this one, and just make sure you are just clicking on this or checking on this, right? So that it works, right? Whenever you just click on save, it gets auto formatted. Right now the next one is the power mode. Now you can see whenever I'm writing something, a flame like you can see effect is happening, right? Like this, or when I'm saving the file also, right? So how can you do that? You can do that with power mode. Go to the extensions bar, search for power mode. Okay, and then you're going to find this one, install this one, and once you install this one, just go to the settings part, and here search for power, and then you're going to find this you can say configurations. So just click on this so to make sure you are just enabling this one, and then make the threshold to 0. We have some other you can say other effects, but I like the flames. I don't like others, right? Then I have you can say counter enabled. Just make it default, and counter size 3. And then you're going to find this one, shake enabled. make sure you are just checking this one, because if you will not check this one, whenever you type, it's you can say your VS Code is going to shake, right? It's going to like vibrate sort of thing, right? So it's up to you. If you like, you can just check this one. If you don't like this, uncheck this one, right? It depends on you. Okay. Now the you can say the seventh one is the Discord reach presence. Now what is Discord reach presence? Let me show you. Let's first let me open my Discord, and just wait for a minute. And you can see this one. This is my profile right at this point, right? Now you can see when I click, you can see this little button right here, reconnect to Discord gateway. Click on this and you can say connected to Discord. Now come to this point and you can find this one, code in HTML CSS. This is basically my folder name. And then basically working on index.js. It has been like some this is the basically uh, time, like that is I am on the VS Code after connecting to the Discord, right? And this is basically the stack that I'm using, that is JavaScript, right? So this is really an amazing tool. If you want, you can just use it. The next thing is error lens. This is an amazing tool, right? Now what is error lens? Let me just make it enable, right? Search for error lens and just enable workspace, and you can see this point. Let's say I'm writing here like this. Okay, I think I have to reload my VS Code, so just close the VS Code and reopen it. And okay, just open it on this file. Let's say I'm writing here right now like close this one like this, or let's say x is equals to 1. You can see when I'm just, you can see I'm writing x equals to, and you can see this error like expression expected, right? Yeah, basically this helps you to find out bugs in your code whenever you are writing. If you have some typo or like you can say some syntax mistakes, then it's going to tell you how to fix it, or it will just show you like it also shows the warning part, but you can ignore the warning part. So this is it. Now we have another, that is rainbow brackets. Rainbow brackets is one of the like, rainbow brackets helps you a lot. Like let's say you can see it gives different colors to your brackets so that you don't get confused while writing several brackets like this. So this is really an amazing thing. And another thing that we have is live share. Live share is really an amazing tool that you must use. Live share helps, you can see this button, click on this and it will just generate a link. You can just copy the link and then share it with your friends. And then if you want him to collab with you, like you can say you and your friend can collab, or let's say if you both are working on a same project, what you can do is just send him this link, and then he will join he can just collab with you in your VS Code. Let's say I'm right, and you both can write on the same time. Let's say I'm writing here something like this, so at the same time he can write here something like this. So this is really an amazing tool. You should try it. Right now, another thing is live server. Just open your index.html, right click at this point, and just you will find this open with live server. Click on this. This is basically opening, you can say it will just open your you can say the index, or you can say HTML page and on your browser. And whenever you do some changes right here, let's say I'm removing this 3 from here, save it, and you can see this, it has been removed from here. So it get like automatically reloaded. That is a helpful thing, right? Because if you just use the copy to this one, this copy path, and paste it here, then you can see if I like do the same changes. Let's say I'm writing the 3 again, and you can see I have to refresh it to get the change, but you can see at this point I get automatically the changes, right? This is really amazing. Now then last one is the tab9 AI. That's really an amazing tool. It basically shows you you can say suggestions, right? Let's say if I'm writing here something like 1 comma let's say I'm writing here, like say I'm creating an array at this point. Let's say I'm writing here const a equals to, and then 1 comma 2 comma 3. Then you can see I'm getting the auto complete you can say option. Just hit tab and it gets auto completed. So this type of features provides tab 9. You can also go for GitHub Copilot if you have the pro access of the GitHub you can say account. That is, if you want the pro access, then you can just if you're a student, then you can get it for free. You have just to show you your or you can say um, do a verification for you with your like college ID, and then you are done, right? It will just give you your free pro you can subscription, right? And then you can go for the GitHub Copilot. But I'm not using it. I'm using you can say tab 9. It's free, and if you want, you can just go for the paid version if you want. But I'm not using the paid versions right now. So this much for this video, guys, and I will share you more VS Code extensions in some other videos. If you want those videos, then comment me, like this video, share it with your friends. And also I have written you can say a blog for you. You can just go to devverse.io. You can find this blog on my website that we have like recently launched, right? And you can find everything here, almost all the extensions that I have discussed here except vscode and some other extensions. uh, but you can just go and check this out. Link is in the description box. So thanks for watching this video, guys, and I will see you next time.